In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily install the Temu app using your web browser. Whether you're new to using Temu or simply looking to simplify your installation process, I've got you covered with this straightforward guide. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Temu's website. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL. A quick tip: make sure your browser is up to date to ensure a smooth installation process. You'll see the Temu homepage once you're there, and you're ready for the next step. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on this. It's like a mini control panel, giving you access to a variety of options and settings within your browser. This menu can be a bit overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry. All we need to focus on is the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. This menu is a handy tool that offers different ways to interact with your browser content. Within this list, you'll see an option labeled Install Temu. Click on Install Temu. This action will initiate the installation of the application, and you don't need to do much from here. It's a pretty seamless process. After you click Install Temu, the installation will take only a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once that's all done, you're done. Nice and simple, right? You should now see Temu installed on your device, and you can access it whenever you need to by looking for it in your list of installed apps or extensions. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap. We opened our browser, went to the Temu website, clicked on the 3-dot icon in the top right corner, navigated to Cast, Save, and Share, and then selected Install Temu. It's as easy as that. And that brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. You now have Temu installed and ready to use. I hope this guide was helpful and made the installation process clear and straightforward. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Enjoy using Temu.